Hi everyone. So today we will going to point our professional email address to our Gmail account. So why we are using this? So this will be helpful for you to organize all of your email address. Let's say you have info at example.com and you also have technical at example.com, or you have hi at example.com, then they will be delivered into your Gmail account. So it will be one place. So yeah, and also if you are more comfortable using your Gmail account, then this would be an ideal steps that you need to do to avoid being overwhelmed of having a lot of email address. Now, okay, let's go ahead. And by the way, before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification to receive new videos from me. Anyway, so let's say you are using Siteground as your hosting provider. So most of the hosting providers provides a free email address for, free professional email address, but I'm not so sure with GoDaddy. I think there's a extra fee for that, but most of the hosting provider really provides a free email address. So let's say you're using SiteGround, so just simply go to the email, go to your cPanel and look for the email and then accounts. And let's say here I'm gonna create an account called technical. I'm gonna create an account here called technical, and then we will generate a password here and then point it. I'm gonna note that one because we will be using that later, and then create. So we have technical at nationaltvantenna.com. Now there's a note here. Normally if you're using SiteGround, there's a note here of what server you should use for importing your email addresses. You can also ask your hosting provider. There are different um, places where you can able to find this, but this should be available on your cPanel. Now we need to go back to our Gmail account and then click the gear icon and then click the settings and then accounts and import tab, and we need to fill in this two area. So basically send as mail as. So this area would be useful if you want to use your Gmail as if you want to use the Gmail as send email as. So let's say I'm going to compose an email here, and the normal from here our Gmail account. As you can see here, this account has able to point out like John at nationaltvantenna.com. So that way, so you can import your professional email address, you can send as. So to do that, right now there's no technical, right? There's no technical at nationaltvantenna.com, so we will need to add that email address. So I'm gonna click the add another email address and then put that. Okay, technical support, and then next, and you need to put your SMTP server, which is, you can see it here, this one, and put it there, and then the port should be 465, and the username, you need to use the email address itself, not the username. Okay, and then the password will be the password that we just created earlier. So password, and make sure that it is SSL, and add account, and then you will be asked for a verification code to the account, to the SiteGround, and click the login to webmail, and this is the email confirmation. So this is the code, and then put the code there and verify. So it's already verified. And if you go to the settings area, account imports, you can see here that there is already a technical at nationaltvantenna.com. So if you click the compose and change the from here, you should able to see the new email address that we created. You can also set that as the make default, but right now we are using different. He is using the personal email address, which is his name. Now for the check mail from others, this would be used so all email address will be forwarded to the Gmail. Okay, so if someone sent an email to technical support, technical at nationaltvantenna.com, it will be land to the Gmail account. So in order to do that, you need to click the add mail account again, and then put the email address, and then next, and then choose the POP3 because we're using the POP3 method, and put the email address. Make sure the username is the exact email address, otherwise this will not work. So the password same, and then the POP3 here still the same, and the port should be 995 because we are using POP3, we're not using IMOP, so it should be 995. And here, leave a copy of your retrieved message to the server, so you can check that if you want to have a copy in this side, but we can leave that as is. And make sure you click the SSL secured, otherwise we cannot proceed to the next area. So label incoming messages. This will be like if someone sent an email, there will be a label in the email address, so it's self-explanatory. So yeah, we can keep that as check. And then archive incoming messages, we don't want to do that because we want all the emails come to our inbox. So add account, and yeah, we're good to go. So if you check the inbox, you will see that the email address, you can see here that there is a label of technical at nationaltvantenna.com, and the email that was sent here when you log in the webmail that was sent here is okay. I'm not seeing right now because it's already forwarded in this area, and we haven't take the options that you want to leave a copy to the server. That's why we're not seeing any emails here. So if you want to do that, then you can just take the send a copy to the server, so you can see that. So yeah, I hope this has been helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have any other tutorials that you want me to cover. Have a great day!